Welcome back to the Kids Caught in the Middle video series. Today's episode is about Chapter 4, Legal Custody Decisions. I'm Liisa Speaker, the owner of the Speaker Law Firm, and the author of the book, Kids Caught in the Middle, How Families Are Harmed When Judges Don't Follow the Law. Now, what is legal custody? Those are the important decisions that affect the child's life, and it has been interpreted to mean decisions such as education, medical, and religious decisions. Now, typically, trial judges will award joint legal custody, but when parents cannot get along, when they cannot agree on those important decisions, the trial court will often have to award one parent or the other sole legal custody. Typically, physical custody and legal custody are raised in the same case at the same time, so the judge can entertain all the evidence that affects the child and then make a decision at the end of the case. But there is confusion sometimes when the case only raises a legal custody issue, and the confusion arises because it's not clear how to apply the threshold to a legal custody decision, and also how to apply the best interest factors when only legal custody is at issue. There's also a question that the parents struggle with about what is the difference between routine decision making versus important decisions, which important decisions affect legal custody. And part of the problem is that the Court of Appeals has not issued a published opinion that explains the differences between these two types of decisions. The consequences of a judge awarding joint legal custody versus sole legal custody are pretty significant. A sole legal custodian gets to make a lot of decisions all by themselves without any input from the other parent. For example, the sole legal custodian can move more than 100 miles without going through all the hurdles of the change of domicile statute and without having any kind of agreement from the other parent. The sole legal custodian can change doctors without any input. And one of the issues we see a lot is when a sole legal custodian can change the schools of the child, again without any input. So having joint legal custody is a pretty important decision for a trial court to make. We created a parent's guide for attorneys to share with their family law clients to help them understand the process. If you want a free copy of the parent's guide to give to your clients, click on the link below.